Welcome back, everybody. Hey, it is December and it is cold. But today I am going to do 3 different clips of me popping and warming up. Now again, this is at Cabrillo. For those that are new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Ceech and I am a dance instructor. This is out of Cabrillo College, Aptos, California. So, on this first song, or this first jam, this first warm-up, I'm basically just trying to relax, pop a little bit, focus on staying on beat. One of the hardest things to do is when you get up in the morning. This is probably around 11 a.m., so it's not right when I got up in the morning, but it is kind of chilly. So when your muscle is not warmed up, it's a little bit more difficult to get a good snap. But it takes a little warm up. So the key is this, you gotta take your time. I see a lot of people right when they get into it, they try to do something real fast, or pop real hard and whatnot. You definitely do want to pop hard, but mainly stay on beat, okay? So this one is kind of like pop a little bit hard, not, I wasn't trying to pop super hard, but also, being on beat. Get my body warmed up, catch my breath a little bit, take a little break. Now I switch to a different song. Now this song is just, you guys can hear the clap a little bit better. So I believe in this one I'm focusing on just popping just a little bit harder. Getting my legs, getting my arms. If I remember to get the whole body in. Just to demonstrate to yourself, and myself, that I could control the beat with a hard pop, okay? Try to engage arms, legs, chest, neck. Get all of that in at some point. Depending on the angle of your body, you might not be able to pop all of them. I mean, at least, both your legs and arms and whatnot. But whenever you can, you try to do that. I also believe that I was thinking about level changes. So a lot of times when you're just freestyling, popping, warming up and stuff like that, a lot of people just stand straight up the entire time. So you want to get a little bit angle, like bend your waist, go down a little lower. For those that are real good, you see, a lot of the great dancers, they go all the way down. I'm not as flexible as I used to be, so kind of stay on top. But for those that can, try to get your ranges. Stay up, get down low to the ground. There you go. I think my body's a little bit warmer now. All right, one more song, and this one I think I was just focusing on controlling a lot of stops. So it should kind of remind people of maybe like robotic. It's not really robot, but a lot of stops where some parts of my body being isolated. I kind of just hold it in space, with when the music just. So not so much pop in here, just a little bit, mainly just good isolation. And hitting that da 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 da. So depending on the song that is playing, you kind of want to show your musicality. So hopefully this helps everybody out. See where my mind's at, because sometimes when you see great dancers, other dancers when they dance, you don't know what they're thinking. So this is me breaking down what I'm thinking, and hopefully this will help you guys when you are exploring yourself in your dance solo, dance journey. All right. If this is helpful, definitely I appreciate the like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Drop me a comment. Let me know how your journey is going. I see, I appreciate some of the audience down in India. I want to say what's up to all my India dancers. There's a lot of good dancers coming out of India, so definitely love to hear more from you guys and dancers from all over the world. All right, y'all, I'm about to be done here, so enjoy this winter, and I'll see y'all later.